Hey guys, welcome back to Color Poshana. This is Vishnu. You're busy with your festive decorations. In today's video, I'm gonna make a quick and easy decoration that you can make at home. Basically, I am using a hula hoop to make this decoration. If you don't have a hula hoop at home, you can absolutely use like a cardboard or a foam board that you can cut out in a desired round shape that you want. All the items that I have used in this video, I have provided links in the description. Please do check it out. Here I'm using a Kalamkari printed blouse fabric that is available at home for me. You can make this decoration absolutely with any digital prints like Kalamkari or Patola or any, like that looks festive and that looks like traditional. You can absolutely use that fabric. And the star of this decoration is painter's tape or masking tape. If you have followed my channel, I use a lot of painter's tape to make the decoration so that I can reuse them for multiple other projects. So I try to use like less glue and hot glue. So yeah, so I'm gonna use a lot of painter's tape to make this decoration. So first I'm gonna place the fabric on the floor and place the hula hoop on top of it, and then just connect the opposite corners and tie it together. That's it. The backdrop is ready in like less than a minute. Wherever we have the loose end corners, I'm gonna just use some painter's tape and pull it inside so that we get the round shape backdrop ready. So yeah, it's super easy. Yeah, I just love making this decoration. I hope you guys enjoy watching this as well. And to give some floral decoration to this, I'm using like the lotus bud decor that I made. If you have seen my previous videos, I made lotus using broken Easter eggs. So I made a bunch of these lotuses, so I'm using them to attach it as like floral arrangements. If you don't have these lotus buds, or if you don't have anything right away, you can absolutely use like marigold or any other floral floral things that you have available at home. To attach these lotus buds, I'm using the wooden sticks that are available for me at home. You can absolutely use like ice cream popsicles or like any wooden skewers, that would work. Basically, my idea is to attach these lotus to these sticks and then later attach these sticks to the hula hoop corners so that I can get the floral arrangements attached easily to the corners. Again, I'm using painted tape to basically attach these lotus bud sticks to my backdrop. So I'm attaching the tape like horizontally and vertically so that they are attached well to the fabric and to hula hoop as well. And then I did a stress test to this backdrop. So I was moving my hula hoop fast and then making sure the buds are not falling. So you can trust me on this that painted tape works well for this decor and it will stay and it would be perfect. I have also tested it by hanging it on the wall for like 2-3 days and it was staying there and it was absolutely fine. So finally, my hula hoop with lotus bud decoration is ready. So now I have to hang it. It's kind of little heavier now because it has some fabric, hula hoop and all the lotus decor. So you cannot simply use painted tape here. So here what I'm doing, I'm using like invisible wire, which is called like fishing wire, where I'm gonna just use a needle and attach this thread on top of at one corner of the hoop, and then use that to hang it to like removable hooks or like any nail that is available on the wall. So I'm gonna just hang it, and I created some more lotus bud decorations with some paper garlands. So I'm attaching these on the top so that it has that beautiful decoration, and it goes well with my plain white wall. So that's it, our decoration is ready. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video and you got like a lot of ideas for your coming festive decoration. If you like this video, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and share it with your friends. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you very much for watching.